Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a new Beetle. First, always consult your owner's manual for specific maintenance schedules and diagnostic codes. Regular inspections are key to preventing small issues from escalating into costly repairs. Familiarize yourself with your new Beetle's common wear points and recommended service intervals to keep it running smoothly. This proactive approach saves both time and money in the long run. New Beetles can experience a few common problems. Faulty window regulators are a frequent complaint, often causing windows to get stuck or even fall into the door. Electrical issues, such as problems with power windows, door locks, and lighting, are also reported. If your check engine light comes on, an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner is essential to read diagnostic trouble codes, like P0301 for a misfire, helping you pinpoint the exact issue. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, while you're taking a break from getting your hands dirty, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Having the right tools makes all the difference. A metric combination wrench set, typically from 6mm to 19mm, is crucial. You'll also frequently need a full set of Torx or star bits for many fasteners on your new Beetle. When replacing components, always opt for genuine Volkswagen parts or high-quality aftermarket alternatives to ensure proper fit and longevity. Safety gear like gloves and eye protection is also a must. Let's consider a simple repair like changing spark plugs, often needed around 90,000 miles. First, ensure your engine is completely cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Carefully remove the old spark plugs, noting their condition. Install the new spark plugs, making sure to follow the manufacturer's torque specifications to avoid damaging the engine. Reconnect the battery, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.